Hi there, everyone. Are you completely tired of spending a fortune at the salon just to keep your nails looking clean and well maintained? If you truly want to achieve gorgeous salon quality results right at home, you absolutely need the best professional manicure pedicure kit. Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are looking at a premium grooming set that will elevate your personal care routine. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Keiby Citom Professional Manicure Pedicure Kit, this is an absolute game changer for anyone who loves taking proper care of themselves. This set is an incredibly comprehensive personal care collection specifically designed to meet absolutely all of your grooming needs in one single package. You no longer have to spend your hard-earned money buying separate tools for different parts of your body. The Keiby Citom Professional Manicure Pedicure Kit conveniently combines hand care, facial care, and foot care into one highly versatile kit. This ensures that every single aspect of your daily beauty routine is addressed with total precision and ultimate convenience. When it comes to high-quality grooming tools, the manufacturing material is absolutely everything. Every single tool in the Keiby Citom Professional Manicure Pedicure Kit is expertly crafted from top-quality black steel. This is not just your ordinary metal. Black steel is widely known and highly respected for its exceptional hardness and its incredible resistance to rust. This means you do not have to worry about your nail clippers bending, breaking, or getting rusty after a few months of use in a steamy bathroom. It promises outstanding, long-lasting durability and reliable everyday performance, meaning you will be happily using these tools for many years to come. But Keiby Citom certainly did not stop at making these tools incredibly strong and durable. This specific manicure and pedicure kit officially introduces a brand new generation of black polishing anti-skid technology. This is a remarkably cool feature because it gives all the tools an incredibly upscale, sleek, and mysterious appearance. They look completely modern and highly professional. More importantly, this specialized anti-skid texture significantly enhances your grip and control during actual use. We all know how incredibly frustrating it can be when a sharp nail clipper accidentally slips right out of your hand when you are trying to make a very precise cut. The beautifully textured finish ensures that the tools always stay firmly in your grasp, making your entire grooming process so much safer and comfortable. Of course, any grooming tool is really only as good as its blade. The sharpness of each and every instrument in the Keiby Citom Professional Manicure Pedicure Kit has been carefully and purposefully upgraded. This means the clippers, the scissors, and the cuticle tools cut cleanly and completely effortlessly without tearing or damaging your delicate skin or nails. The upgraded sharpness ensures you consistently get flawless professional-level results with every single application, right from the comfort of your own home. You will genuinely feel like you just stepped out of a high-end luxury spa every time you use them. Now, let us talk about exactly how all these amazing grooming tools are stored. The Keiby Citom Professional Manicure Pedicure Kit is housed in a beautifully designed case that perfectly blends high-quality fabric with premium PU leather. The brilliant combination of these amazing materials exudes absolute elegance and total sophistication. The storage case is incredibly sturdy, keeping all your important tools perfectly organized and thoroughly protected when you are not actively using them. Because each individual tool has its own highly secure spot inside the case, you will never have to angrily dig around a messy bathroom drawer trying to find your tweezers. It keeps your living space neat and incredibly tidy. The stylish and elegant exterior of the beautiful case makes it not only a highly practical addition to your everyday personal care routine, but it also serves as an ideal gift for anyone who values top-tier quality and gorgeous design. Whether you are buying it for a birthday or a holiday, it feels like a truly premium present. By seamlessly combining exceptional daily functionality, long-lasting durability, and beautiful modern style, the Keiby Citom Professional Manicure Pedicure Kit easily stands out as a complete grooming solution. Every single detail reflects a massive commitment to quality. Are you ready to completely upgrade your home grooming routine and enjoy beautifully manicured nails? Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Please be sure to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more amazing daily deals and product finds. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one.